Good morning children. So today we are going to see division. We have already learned division by grouping and division by repeated subtraction method. So today we are going to see division by algorithm method. Okay. So in algorithm method, what you will do is you will first put a line and a curve like this. Okay. First one curve and then one line on top of it. Okay. So first one, what they are telling you in the question is divide 84 by 4. Okay, I already told you that the number before, the number in the first is dividend and the number next is divisor. Okay, so what they are telling is 84 should be divided by 4. So what you should do is you should write the first number inside the curve and 4 outside. Okay, so after writing this, what you should do is you should look into the divisor and the first highest place value. Okay, so here see, this is ones, unit, and this is tens. Okay, whether unit is bigger or tens is bigger? Tens is bigger, right? So what you should do is you should look into the bigger number, bigger place value number, which is 8. Okay, here you have 8 and here you have 4. Compare them. Which is greater? 8 is greater. So if the number inside, the number in the highest place is greater than the divisor, you will start telling tables. Okay, what tables you should tell? The number in the left side, which is divisor. You should start telling tables in the divisor. Okay, so here you have 4, so you should start telling 4 tables. Okay, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Okay, so you should start telling tables till you get the number in the highest place value. Here you have 8, so you should start telling 4 tables till you get 8. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Okay, so 4 multiplied with 2 gave you 8. And then you wrote 8 here. After that, what you should do is you should subtract this number from this number. Okay, you should subtract this higher number on the highest place value from the number you have written on the down, which is 8. So 8 minus 8 is, so you have 8 and you have to subtract 8 from it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is gone. How much is remaining? 0. So 8 minus 8 is 0. Now this is over and you got 0 as your answer. Now there is one 4 left. The number next to 8, right? So you will get the 4 down. Okay. So and you will write the 4 in the down. And you will start telling tables till you get 4. So here you have 4. 4 ones are 4. So 4 multiplied with 1 gave you 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. You know that the number on the top is quotient. The number in the down, at the end whatever you get is the remainder. Okay, now your answer will be 84 divided by 4 is equal to whatever you get the answer in the quotient, which is 21. So your answer will be 21. Now I am going to solve next example, example 2. What is your question is? Divide 49 by 2. So what you have to do is you have to divide the number 49 by 2. Okay, so what you should do? See, the number you have to divide this 49. So 49 is your dividend that you will write in the inside, and 2 is your divisor, that you should write outside. And what you should do now? You should see this in the first place, in the highest place value 4 is there and divisor is 2. So 4 is bigger, right? So what you will do? You will start telling 2 tables, right? So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. 2 multiplied with 2 gave you 4. Right, you got 4. Now what you should do is, you should subtract this 4 from this 4. So, if you subtract 4 minus 4, you will get 0. Now, you got 0 here. So, next what you should do? You should get the next number down, which is 9. And what you should do? You should start telling 2 tables. Okay, 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. You got 8 and you got 10, but you didn't get 9. Right. So, see, 2 fours are 8 and 2 fives are 10. But you didn't get 9. 9 is between 8 and 10, right? You want 9 but you didn't get 9. So what you will do is, you will see the number lesser than 9. Which is lesser than 9? 10 or 8? 8 is lesser than 9. So what you will do is, you will write 2 fours are 8. So 2 multiplied with 4 will give you 8. So you have 9 here and you have to subtract 8 from it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is remaining? 1. So 1 is your remainder. So this will be your quotient and this will be your remainder. So quotient is 24, remainder is 1. Understood? So there is one more example, example 3, which is a wording problem. Okay, what they are telling is, Srinivasa has a chocolate box having 32 pieces. He wants to share it equally among his 8 friends. How many pieces does each friend will get? So, you know that division is sharing of things equally, right? So, if you have 4 chocolates and you have to share it with your brother or sister, what you will do? You will give 1 chocolate to you, 1 chocolate to them, 1 chocolate to you, 1 chocolate to them. So, you will get 2 and your brother or sister will get 2. So 2 each, that is what division is, sharing equally. Now here you have how many pieces? 32 pieces. It is divided among 8 friends. So the pieces which you are going to divide is 32. That will be your dividend. And you are dividing it among 8 friends. So that 8 friends will be your divisor. So where you should write the dividend 32? Inside the curve, which is here. So 32 you will write here and 8 you will write on the outside. Now look at the first number. You have 3, right? You have 3 here and you have 8 here. Which is greater? 8 is greater. The divisor is greater. So you cannot tell the tables and subtract 3 from 8. So what you will do is, you will get the help from next number, which is 2. You will consider both 32. Okay, you consider the first 2 numbers and start telling 8 tables. Okay, till you get 32 or more than 32. Okay. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32. 8 fours are 32. 8 multiplied with 4 gave you 32. So now what you should do? You should subtract them. 2 minus 2 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. So your quotient will be 3 and your remainder is 0. Quotient gives the number of chocolate each person will get. So all the 8 friends, each one of them will get 3 chocolates each. Okay. Now take page number 14 and example 4. Division of 3-digit number by 1-digit number. Okay. So divide 125 by 5 using algorithm method. That means you have to use the method which I showed you now. Okay, so you have to divide 125, which is dividend. So 125 is your dividend and 5 is your divisor. So you will write 125 inside and 5 outside. Now look at the first number. Highest place value is 100 here. How many hundreds you have? 1. And what is the number in the divisor? Which is 5. Right. So 1 is smaller than 5. So you need help here. What you will do? You will get the next number with 1. So which is 2. So 1 and 2. 1, 2 is called 12. So you will consider this 12 alone. You won't consider the last number. You will just consider the first 2 numbers. Okay. So you will start telling 5 tables now. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. So 5 into 3 gave you 15, but you didn't get 12. But you want 12, right? So what you will do is, you will go with the number which is less than 12, which is 10. 5 twos are 10, right? So you will write 5 multiplied with 2 will give you 10. Now what you should do? You should subtract 12 from 10, right? So here you have 2 and here you have 0. 2 minus 0 is 2, right? So you will write 2 down. And here you have 1 and here you have 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So you got 0. Next what you should do is, you should get the next number down, which is 5. Now you got what number? 25. So what you should do? You should start telling the divisor 5 tables. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. So 5 multiplied with 5 will give you 25. And 25 subtracted from 25. So 5 minus 5 is 5, minus 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is 0. And 2 minus 2 is, that is also a 0. So you can just put 1 0 here. 25 minus 25 is 0. So your quotient will be what is your quotient? 25. And your remainder will be 0. Okay, so we are going to see exercise problems now. In page number 18, exercise 2.1. First Roman, first question, which is 48 divided by 6. So 48 divided by 6. Here 48 is your dividend, as you know, that you should write inside, and 6 is your divisor, that you should write on the outside. Now what you should do? You should see the highest place value number, which is 4, and you should compare it with 6 divisor. Okay, so which is greater? 6 is greater. So you will take L from the next number, which is 8. So 48 you got, and you should start telling 6 tables. So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48. So 6 multiplied with 8 gives you 48. So when you subtract 48 from 48, what you will get? You will get 0. If you are subtracting same numbers, you will get 0, right? Next one. Second question is 36 divided by 3. What you should do is, you should write the dividend inside and the divisor outside. So first what you should do, you should compare the highest place value number, which is 3, with 3, the divisor. So 3, they both are equal. So you can start telling tables of divisor, which is 3. 3 ones are 3. So 3 multiplied with 1 give you 3. So 3 minus, next one you should subtract them, right? So 3 minus 3 is 0. And then you got the next number, which is 6, to the down. So you should start telling 3 tables. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 3 multiplied with 2 gives you 6. So 6 minus 6 is 0. Your quotient will be 12, and your remainder will be 0. So this is your answer. There are 2 more sums in the same question. Okay, so third one is 55 divided by 4. You should start telling tables till you get a bigger number. If there is remainder, you should write remainder is equal to this number. Okay, so fourth one is 72 divided by 7. That means you have to use 7 as your divisor, and you should use 7 table. Okay, see, do your homeworks and send it to me. See you in the next class. Bye.